Hi there, it's Rob Hillman here from Easy Training Guides, and today we're going to talk about how you can mine free Bitcoin from your home computer or laptop. But before I get started, just a little disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just me explaining to you basically how I am making money on the internet, making free Bitcoin in my spare time, basically, and how easy it is to achieve. So without further ado, in the meantime, also just click on that subscribe button, and you'll also get notified when we make new videos. So let's get stuck into it. Now, the site that I'm using is a site called Cryptex, and there is a link to the site down below. Now, what Cryptex is a simple program that allows you to download the Cryptex miner to your laptop or your home PC, and then it configures itself pretty well automatically, and then it's just a matter of joining the Cryptex site, which is free to join, downloading the software and letting it mine on your computer. Now, there's a couple of things to remember. Is that, of course, your antivirus software tends to look at any crypto mining programs as potential viruses. So particularly Windows Defender is particularly troublesome in trying to get the Cryptex miner running. So one piece of advice would be to disable Windows Defender, which can only be done if you're running another antivirus software. So the antivirus software that I run on this machine is Kaspersky, and simply because it's good at what it does, and also pretty economical. I think I paid about $45 for you to use Kaspersky on 3 machines. So and the good thing about Kaspersky is that you can then highlight what programs you want to run and not run. So when you run the Cryptex miner, for instance, Kaspersky will come up with a warning, and then you can say, look, yes, you want that to run in the software. You want it to run on your computer, so that every time your machine boots up, it will run. So let's take a look at the Cryptex website now, and as you can see, it mines cryptocurrency and pays you Bitcoin or real world money. There's quite a few different currencies it will pay you in, and let's have a look down below. We can see Cryptex is a Windows app that pays you for the computing power of your PC. So they combine the processing power of thousands of computers to run complex distributed cryptocurrency computations. So basically what they're saying is they've taken all the guesswork out of it. They've made things amazingly simple. Just let your Cryptex work in the background and we'll pay you for the work your computer does. And I'm actually mining Bitcoin at the moment on this machine, and I'll show you shortly how that works. How much can I earn? It comes down to your PC's processing power and luck. So a gaming PC, you can expect to make about $95 per month US. With a mining rig, maybe $615 a month, and with a mining farm, $13,500. You can withdraw your Bitcoins or send the money directly to a bank card, and it's easy enough to get started. So if we go to the next screen, this is actually what the miner looks like, and you can see that it will show you if it's working. When it starts up, this little button is orange, and it actually scans your computer and works out what graphics cards you have, what processor you have, and what graphics cards you have. And the machine that I'm using at the moment for this presentation is just a desktop, and it's running an NVIDIA 3060 Ti graphics card, because most of the computing power is done by your graphics processor. So just keep that in mind. So if you are using a fairly early model machine, then it won't be as effective as the new ones are. Or you can change your graphics card out for one of the more popular ones. So as you can see here, it'll do NVIDIA cards and also AMD cards. We will take a look at, I'll just drag across my miner at the moment, so I'll just overlay it so you can see it's pretty well identical. What you see is what you get. This machine at the moment, most of the hashing power is done by the NVIDIA 3060, and at the moment it's making about $48 US per month. The computing power has dropped because I'm now using video. It averages out at about $100 a month US, so and about $3 a day. So but people say, is it worth mining on a computer if that's all you're going to get, $3 a day? Well, let's say this computer that I'm using now, on average, makes about $100 a month US, and let's say, for instance, if I was mining last year, in January last year in 2020, if I was mining Ethereum, for instance, if I'd bought one Ethereum then was about $200. Well, right now, so if you're mining $200 worth of Ethereum right now, the value of that Ethereum is over $6,000. So it can accumulate quite rapidly. So what you see now, you might be making $50 or $100 this month, but in 12 months time, with the way crypto's going, then of course that can be 10x or 20x or whatever. So just gives you some food for thought there. So you can see I'm running, it's got the Intel i7 9700 processor on this computer, so it's not one of the very latest. This computer is about 18 months old, and it's running an NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti graphics card. So normally if I wasn't using the graphics for video right now, the hash power would be about double this. I'm getting about 50 mega hashes. So that gives you some idea of what you can make, and it's, as I said, it's just a matter of downloading the actual program to your computer and let it run, and just sort out the antivirus problems. Let's take a look at another screen now. This is my computer. I'm actually running a few other machines at the moment in other locations, and you can see how many machines. So this is on my web browser, and you can see how many machines I'm running, like my main desktop, which is this one I'm using now. There's the NVIDIA RTX 2070, and also I've got two other laptops. I've got an Asus TUF laptop running an RTX 3070 and a MetaBox computer running an RTX 2080. Also, there's a Dell here with another 3060 Ti, and that's making about $122 per month. This desktop now is about $55 a month, and if I was to stop using the video, that would shoot up to about $100 a month. So you can tell quite a lot. If we go up to the dashboard, we can see a graphic representation of all the computers that are working. You can see here I've had 3 out of the 4 computers have been turned off for maintenance and upgrading the software over the last few days, and then I put them all back on yesterday, and it tells you basically what machine's doing, what roughly the income is from each one, and then also if you wanted some more, there's a lot more to Cryptex if you go into great detail, but this is just a fairly simple video just to let you know how to go about doing it. Just download Cryptex from the website, use the link below, and away you go. It's pretty well self-explanatory, and then you can also, one of the good things about the Cryptex website is that it tells you what GPUs are making, so your graphics processor cards are what they can make per month. So there's a 3060 Ti down here, and you can expect up to $140 a month from that. I think mine's one I'm getting 100 and 110 on another machine. So, but it adds up quickly. And basically what you're doing is you're not mining for today, you're mining for the future. Yeah, so what I do with Cryptex, actually, you can get a payout whenever you want. The only thing to remember, of course, is that they'll take $10 per transaction. So if you wanted to, at the moment, let's bring my machine back in here. So this particular machine, at the moment I've got $27 in my account. I made a withdrawal a few days ago. So if I wanted to take that $27 out, Cryptex would charge me $10, so I'd end up with $17. And also the thing to keep in mind, of course, is you can get paid in any currency. When I make a withdrawal, I actually get paid in Bitcoin, and I just send it to my other Bitcoin wallet. So, but I'll cover that in another video on where to send the Bitcoin. I mean, you can let it accumulate in your Cryptex account without a problem. But there are more expedient ways to use that crypto, so you can send it to another wallet, which makes it a little bit easier to manage. I can monitor the performance of my machines from any mobile device, and then I can also make a withdrawal from any mobile device. When you make a withdrawal, it tells you, let me just go through here and see where we go. Request a payment. Let me request a payment. So choose a method. So the amount of Bitcoin I have in my account at the moment is 0.000467, and it's got the latest Bitcoin address, my Bitcoin address where I send my funds to. You can get paid in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Russian cards, web money, advanced cash, Visa, MasterCard, advanced cash again, Amazon gift cards, Visa, MasterCard, Union Pay, but it's just mainly, I just keep it in Bitcoin and just put in, I only have to put in click my address and click the request payment, and it will then send me an email which I have to respond to. So it will send an email to my address, and then I just click on that email, which will send me back to their website to just confirm that yes, I do want to withdraw that amount, and then I just click the green button and away you go, and those funds will appear in your account within a few hours. And then it's easier from then. I'll take you to another website in another video which will show you then how you can cash out, get that cash out. No worries. So look, I hope you found this video informative, and if there's any questions, please let me know in the comments below, or if there's any other videos you'd like to see. The next video I'll be producing will be on one of the staking platforms. I'm staking a particular crypto coin, and that's producing about $80 a day, and we'll cover that very shortly. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Talk soon.